E92 and 3 on fire. I'm tripping. I tried to help homie get my fire extinguisher, all the water bottles I had. Nothing, bro. This shit got fucked.
I'm not even gonna, yeah, we're just gonna walk. From our angle, you can. The exhaust made it.
I told y'all the fucking wheels made it, goddammit. Aluminum, bitch. I know my wheels made it. I know
That was a hot ass fire, bro.
That
Dude, yeah,
rolled.
melted the
I'm gonna tweak the car.
damn it, dude.
Well, we saved rims.
At least you saved the motor, goddamn. Motor and trans still good. Motor and trans still good. You might need to rebuild this bitch though.
Fantastic.
Holy shit. Oh my god. The carbon fiber roof. The carbon fiber is gone.
Oh wait, the tire, the ring. Oh, they took it.
Yeah, we took what we could. Yeah.
What do you think we was putting in the back of the stock? I told those tires.
Started and it didn't have
What if it starts?
Take out the back.
Well, we can just put the rear on dolly.
definitely fucked up. Alright, so first step here is going to be taking this wheel off. The tire's completely demolished. We have the other wheels in the car. We saved them, so we're going to go ahead and pop this wheel off real quick so we can actually push the car. My wallet when I paid for them.
Never seen them bitches on a BMW. 4G autos only.
I just keep looking at the dash draw. I'm like, everything behind the dash is fine. Even the under.
You need some AC and some sim.
on, stop. Move the wood. Push, 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 push. One clear, let's go. Ah, bitch. Piece of glass, bro. Go. Sure will. Take the gloves.
Oh, watch out for the trailer.
Ow, that fucker. That was like, ding. Blood? A little bit. Great visibility, man. No blind spots. Oh, yeah. Even through the roof, man. That's crazy.
Yeah, it's one of them convertible prototypes.
Yeah, something happened with the wiring. Just went through the flames.
Yeah, it's just a glass-free product.
It is
Good
4:20
morning.
now.
It's 4:20 and Easter on the same day. This hasn't happened in I don't even know how long. I think somebody said like
anyone say a 420 joke all month.
yeah, that too. But yeah, we're gonna be going to get the shell. It's gonna be a very eye-opening experience for how much work is ahead. But definitely happy the opportunity came about, and we're actually getting the shell. This happened what 2-3 weeks after the accident, not even. So hoping we just pull up. He has a pretty interesting yard from what I can see in the pictures. It should be fun getting the trailer where we got to put it. But we are on the road, headed to Tampa. It's a good halfway point by the good old Orlando airport. Breezing through. Hope it stays this way. We have M3, and we have, where is it? 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 There it is. M3. Should be fun. So from the last clip, we basically put the car on the trailer once we got it inside the garage, and I had a big time lapse saved of us doing that, but it was 30 minutes of the original video that I tried to time lapse. I should have filmed it as a time lapse originally, and I had it in the video and basically got impatient of having the massive file on my phone, so I deleted it and before we finished publishing the video. So unfortunately that's not going to make it here, but it was basically us just going back and forth, sliding the car on dollies, 2x4s, to get it actually sat on the trailer in a good spot that it wouldn't. Our little adventure of loading it on, great success, and we're ready to hit the road.
Oh no, we took them off to yeah.
Leaving the M3 compound, 1, 2, 3, another one. Successful food run, you know, downtown Tampa. Car is still safe on the trailer. We're ready to head back home. We have officially arrived back from Tampa. Safe and sound. Car made it all good besides this rocker panel popped out on the side. Easy fix, just 2 clips. This is going to be a tear down project. Let's go hook this up and go a little bit too low. Great noises. All right, Joe, come back. A little bit more. A little bit more, that's good. Let me drop it down. Clean shell is a happy shell. So discover that got a blue windshield. Alrighty, so we're done washing the car now. I took the rockers off just to make it easier once we're gonna go ahead and actually slide it. I probably should have done that before I washed it, but it is what it is. Just gonna go ahead and move it now. Right in this spot. Definitely a super successful Sunday. Got the old burnt car in the garage. We got the parts shell up on the jack stands, and we moved everything out of the hole. Eddie's coupe is over there. Only part that's left to move is Luke's vert once we get the last shock in it. Cleaning up the grass and stuff, getting all the leaves out. Just a lot of neglected stuff since the cars have just been sitting here. But yeah, it's gonna be the end of today basically. Happy with the progress we made, and on to the next part of the adventure.